go through the forest.
Where did my son
I think we should have lunch in the forest.
I'm not saying, like, up a tree. We can build like a
Under
tree
a
house.
tree.
Oh my god, that'd be so fun. Can we do that?
I think we should camp in the forest. Yeah, why can't we just
Totally.
camp in the forest
Guys,
and the
can I
next day
borrow one
come
of your
back?
sunkeys? My mum's like put it
Becca, do you
somewhere
want
weird.
some or do you have some?
They're all like spread it around.
Woo! Does anyone want to borrow some? I tripped up from my feet.
Oh no, where's my hair clip? Oh, weird eye. You know sometimes when your eyelash
Oh,
is
can I
really
please
sore.
borrow some?
In your eye.
Yes.
Yeah!
You're the expert at eyes.
How am I the expert at eyes?
Just as long as the eye patches.
I know.
You filming?
I get one each eye. Yeah, I know I'm filming. And then I'll crop it.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Aye. Oh, sheep. Ooh, ooh, are there any nearby?
I don't
No,
have
there's
to know
not.
where I put my tissue.
Whoa! Did you hear that? I was like, meh.
Right, sun cream time. Does anyone else need some sun cream?
Oh.
Meet up when we have like